Almost there.
Mhm.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to share. Hey, can you see my screen?
Yep. BTS.
Yeah, you know that?
I think I applied there.
Oh,
Right.
really?
Well,
BTS.
if you went to the org, I think you would have seen that.
Really?
Huh?
They reached back to you?
Yeah, I think they did, and I didn't get it.
Oh, they didn't
Oh.
reach back to you?
No, I think they did, but I think I didn't get it, if I remember correct. But go ahead.
Oh, you did the interview too?
No, I didn't get a chance to interview.
Oh, hmm. Wait. Oh, but they reached back to you.
To tell me that they're not considering me. Yeah,
Oh
I
my
think
God.
that's what they did. Yeah.
Oh, so I got an email today from Louisa. She said, thanks for me for submitting my application. And they were interested in my skills and background and wanted to invite me to share more about myself. But this is gonna be an initial, she said initial screen, probably just a phone screen.
Basically, okay,
Yeah, the
good.
company recruiter.
For VTS,
Yeah.
okay. Go to the org. Now go to the app, the job app, Salesforce. Up there, up there. Now scroll down and you'll see somewhere about VTS.
Oh, it's here.
Yes.
Hmm.
Now who applied? I think it should show that I applied to that.
Yeah, I think
Because
this.
if you scroll up, you'll see that you didn't apply.
No, I did not. Yeah. I applied this a long time.
So go down there and click on that VTS. No, go up that VTS, click on that box. No, the box, right. Next, now, applied on application status, change that from none to applied. When did you submit the, hold on, when did you submit it?
I think I submitted.
If you check your email, it should tell you when you submit it.
Yeah, I'm looking here. Wait, is. Oh, I actually applied this on March 6th.
Okay, so change the submitted date to March 6th. Now click next. Okay, so now you applied to VTS. Now go to interview. No, hold on. You look at the application number is what, 23?
Yeah.
Go to interviews. You'll see what I did. I made some changes. Click on new. Interviewee, interview name,
Ooh, it's gonna be a video interview.
video. Okay. Who's no? Who's the name of the interviewer?
Again.
Wait a minute. Interview name is yeah.
I think I have to put,
Who's the name of the interviewer?
oh, I have to put the interviewer name here, not the
Yeah.
company. My name was Luther.
Now you put 16 or the one that you did, which was I think 23. Yeah, when is your interview?
Friday.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's where Louisa go at.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So the top
I
one is
have to put the
VTS.
company name. Yeah,
That's the company name. Sorry.
it's okay.
Now notice what I did. I created some extra fields. So if you get a second interview, boom.
Yeah. There's there is no notes. HR notes, human resources notes.
Yeah. So basically what's that for
When
is
they
like
give feedbacks.
any like anything you discuss in the HR interview, you can put it in there if you write it down, like, as you're talking, any questions that they might ask you, you could put it in there, so this way you remember,
Yeah.
or how you think it went.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna click save.
Hmm.
Did you get an interview, Jermaine?
No,
Oh. Oh, how about the other company? I think you had
I'm
follow-up,
waiting
right?
to hear back on, if I don't hear back something by tomorrow, well, tomorrow I should get an email. If
Oh,
that
Yeah.
flow, you're right, if that email thing works, which it should, you should
okay.
get an email. So I'm gonna, send out an email tomorrow to find out what's going on. Like at least let me know if you moved on to somebody else or,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah. Oh,
Hmm.
let's hope for
So
good,
now,
Jermaine.
um, Lou, on this interview object, should I put like let's say the interviewer's like email address and even maybe their phone number
Well,
as a field?
well, you should because that way, if you ever needed to email them, you could.
So okay, happy. Click on the gear icon and then let's put interview name, HR, email address, and then HR phone number for as fields.
Oh, Jermaine, do you want to take over? My thing is not really
Okay,
visible. Yeah. Thank
I'll
you.
take over.
Yeah,
No
thank you.
problem.
Yep. And while you guys doing that, I gotta do something. I gotta clean my glasses. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay.
You gotta let me stop sharing.
Oh yeah, stop share. Okay. Stop share.
Dun, dun.
Jermaine.
Yeah,
Oh.
you're not seeing it?
No, I can see now.
Oh,
I was actually still seeing my screen.
oh
Like
wow.
I cover it with the zoom. Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm. But you can see my screen.
Yeah, now I can see it.
Dun, dun, dun. Mm, mm.
Oh, I think you have uh oh, never mind. Is that filled name collect?
What happened?
Oh, never mind. Yep.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing. And so this way you can put in your hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm going to stop sharing. So this way you can put in your interviewer's email address and phone and or phone number.
Oh, yeah, I have an email address.
Okay. Stop. Oh, sorry. Stop share. Go ahead.
Okay.
See, we're trying to make this app more robust. So this way, so put in your right, find the email address. You may have to refresh your page. Log out and log back in if you need to.
Yeah, I think I have to do that.
No, go to job postings. Oh, interview. I'm sorry. Go to interview. Sorry.
Mhm.
Go to right. Yeah, okay. There
Mhm.
you go. Email HR. Nope, nope, nope. HR. Because you're doing this as the
Oh.
first interview. The top one. What are you doing? Hold
Give me
on.
1
What are you
second.
doing? Stop.
Give me 1 second.
Okay, I know what you did. You collapsed the second interview. Fine.
Yeah,
Now go to the first HR email right there. Don't do anything. Where you going?
I'm here.
Okay, stay in the details. Go to the HR email address and then put that in.
HR email address. Oh, I was on the interviewer. It's the same thing. Oh, that was
No, it's not. It's a
interview. Yeah.
second interview. So in case you get a second interview, you put in that information.
Yeah. Kill-
And the interview name, I think instead of VTS, I think it should be Salesforce. The
Oh,
position name. So like you know,
the interview name. Oh,
in other words, what
Freighter
position?
at BTS.
No, 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 no. What position are you applying for? You
Oh, this,
Salesforce admin. So put
yeah.
Salesforce admin because the application already links it to VTS.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So I should change that from interview name to position name.
Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah, that will make me move.
Okay, now go click on interviews. The object, the up top interview. Go. In other words, go back. Click on job posting. Now click on interviews. See, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to change that from interview name to position name.
Yeah.
Okay. Matter of fact, let me do that right now.
Okay.
Um,
I'm
so
gonna
I,
share.
yeah, unshare your screen. Okay, you guys see my screen?
Yeah.
fields and relationships. Instead of saying interview name,
Mm-hmm.
we call this position name. Now, let's say position name. Now, do you have like multiple resumes you use?
I only have so far just two resume.
So you have multiple resumes you use.
Yeah.
Okay. When you when you on your org, right? When you go to interviews,
Mm-hmm.
related, you should upload the resume that you use. So this way you know
Ah,
which one you used as a document. So,
yeah. Let me do that. I'm trying to name my actual resume. Do you have multiple resumes, Jermaine?
I got so many resumes.
Ah, how do you
Yeah.
name your resume?
Huh?
How do you name your resume?
Sales. Let me see. How do I relate my resumes? That's a good question. Yeah, excuse me. Jermaine Salesforce CV1 all the way to 9. Jermaine Salesforce resume, and then
Mm.
Jermaine Salesforce admin 1, Salesforce admin 2,
Wow.
developer 1, developer 2, developer 3, Salesforce developer. Yeah. So leave me alone. Yeah. So no, it helps to keep track of when you're applying to these jobs, what resume you're using. So this way, because you don't want to speak to the wrong resume
Oh yeah, that's true.
in the interview.
I uploaded the resume actually.
Okay, you uploaded the resume. That's good. Okay. I'm trying to think. What else? Excuse me. I'm trying to think. What else do I need? We got the HR interview type, phone, video, in person, HR email address, HR phone number, HR notes, the name of the interviewer, the interview date, the application. It should be position names, but it's fine. And then if you have a second interview, as you can see, Matter of fact, I'm going to fill out my what we see, what company? Excuse me. Matter of fact, let me upload file too, because I remember which resume I used for this one. Application 15 for job posting. Let's see. That's MJHS. That's it.
Mhm. Oh,
Oh
how did it go with MJHS? I think they reached back to you, right?
no, I'm waiting to hear back from them.
Oh, you're waiting to hear back from them. Okay.
Yeah, these people not very, just keep me updated.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so the interviewer's name is Tracy. Leyzerov. And it's 718 491 7164, and the email address will be TLEYZERO at Now the interview date, let's see when that was. $226. No, hold on. I'll put 226. It doesn't matter. Yeah, 226. Okay. Okay, so that's what I have for now. Hmm.
So where is this place?
Which one? This one?
Yeah, where's the nearest city?
Oh, New York. Hold on, give me a second. This was video. So this job posting. MJHS. Right here. Yep, New York.
Okay.
1 day in
Now,
office.
you got everything.
Yep.
The only thing left is to get a job.
Yeah.
This was full time. Oh yeah, I also added job type to the position, the job posting. Because whether it's, is it a contract, full time temp? Which one is it?
Oh yeah, job type. Contract, just contract and full time. Oh, and part time too.
No, temp. That's temp. Well,
Oh,
temp.
time.
Yeah. Hmm. So this is what we have so far. Now it's just a matter of, like you said, getting a job.
Okay. So did you guys do that exercise that you were supposed to?
I have the formula, but let me
You
see.
remember what we had to do, happiness?
Um,
You don't remember
wait, I'm lost.
There
from
was
our
something we
previous conversation. We had a homework assignment.
Oh yeah, I know my homework assignment was practicing more.
No, there was a specific assignment.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Explain validation rules and
Oh, we were supposed to do the validation rule.
yes.
Oh my God. Yeah, I didn't get a chance.
Okay. You know. And when you're supposed to, in the job postings, you got to use this field to do it, the Social Security field. Because remember, it should just show
Mhm.
9 digits. Okay, no letters, no nothing other than just 9 digits. And it can't be fewer than 9 digits. It can't be more than 9 digits. And it can't have commas. So we can talk about that, I guess, next time we meet.
Yeah. Mm.
Hmm. But as you can see, I'm constantly making improvements to our job app.
I
So
think we have to, okay. I was just thinking, oh, so since we are going to talk about this on the next session, oh, this session.
the validation rule, you're
Yeah,
right.
the validation rule.
Yeah, because we need to get that field off this job posting app because it doesn't belong.
Yeah.
Hmm. See, so yeah, I'm constantly making updates to our job posting and to improve it. The functionality of it.
I think I'm gonna have to work on updating it on my applications. Mm.
I'll let you guys know tomorrow if I got the email, which I should.
Yeah, I'm sure you will, Jermaine. Crossing
Oh,
fingers. I hope it's gonna be a good email.
No, no, it's just an email to tell me to email the company.
Oh,
That's the email I'm talking about.
yeah. Oh,
Now,
the
do
one
you
you
think I
sent us
would get
last
that?
time.
Does that come at any particular time, Lou, or is that just?
I think you set it up for 10, I think.
you got it for 10?
Yeah, I think so. That's how
Oh,
I
I know.
remember.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, hey, good memory.
Hmm.
Yep.
So you're gonna do the validation?
Well, yeah, but I want her to do it such this way she, or at least be able to explain how to do it. So
Well,
this
she could
way,
tell you what to do now.
no, she doesn't know.
Oh,
Well, I know, but
You
I'm not
know.
sure 100%. So if we discuss this on the next class, I will know how to explain it fluently. Right now, I am unsure.
okay.
I'm unsure.
Yeah. Mm.
But you could explain to me how to write a validation rule, if and what it means. How do
Yeah.
how do you do that?
Uh, sorry, Lou, can you ask me that question again?
How would you be, what are the procedures to do a validation rule?
I think we have to write a formula, right?
Ask me, ask me.
Yeah.
Hey, Lou.
We have to write a formula for validation rule.
You do, but so how, what is the outcome of the formula?
I mean,
Uh,
it depends what you want to do, right? So,
No, validation rules are, they have one outcome. What is the outcome?
Um, oh, they throw an error, true or false, depending on what kind of error you want to throw. So like if you're trying to update a record, for example, and you only want the record to be updated by someone who has a certain role, then you can create a validation rule that if that specific role tries to edit this record, as an example, they will not be allowed to do so.
Okay, but let's make it simple. What is the outcome of the formula has to be so that the error that gets displayed?
Hmm.
What do
Uh,
I mean by outcome?
The results?
Right. What is the result of the formula for the error to display?
it has to be true.
Yes.
True or false?
No.
Oh,
Has to be
true.
true. Has to be
Sorry.
true.
Sorry.
Okay, now this is for happiness. What is the simplest formula where the result is true?
Hmm? Can
Mhm.
you ask me a question again?
What is the simplest formula so that the result is true?
Um, hmm,
No,
maybe
just think of regular, like you've done like x plus x equals x. That's true, right?
yeah, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
Yeah, that's true, right? So now
Yeah,
instead of using numbers, use fields.
maybe a close date for something of close date for opportunities equal to today.
No,
No,
Jermaine, click in that box,
In which box?
the big box. So this is the formula box. What could he type here where it's true?
um,
Look at the things that you have available to you. Look.
oh, we have to insert a field.
Okay, which field?
Maybe let's put can you scroll up to me?
Well, I'm giving you clues. These last three right here. In other words, could the salary maximum be less than the salary minimum?
No.
Okay, that's a validation rule.
That's a validation.
Okay.
The salary maximum cannot be less than the salary minimum.
Right, but I'm asking something even easier than this. Close this.
Close this. Okay.
Write something here that is always true.
One happiness, you got this.
Mm, mm,
Yeah. You're supposed to figure this out yourself. Ow. Well,
She just hit you.
Okay, all
I'm
right.
being abused. I'm being abused.
Jermaine, what would you write here?
What would I write here?
Hmm.
Something simple.
Yeah,
2 plus 2 equals 4.
okay, try that. Okay, check syntax. See, no errors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now go to the error message, and just type, "This is an error." Okay, now scroll it up. Just type in testing, save. Okay, what does this validation rule do?
If the result is not false, then the error message will pop up.
Well, can the result ever be false?
No.
So therefore, you expect this error message to happen all the time.
Yes.
Okay, Jermaine, go to job posting. No, not the object, the data, anything.
Oh,
And
my apologies. Give me a second.
okay, just change anything. Add something to the notes. Oh, go to the job posting. You're still in the. Just click on job posting
Oh,
down there. Job. No, the blue.
oop. My apologies. Yeah.
Okay. So what would happen if you make the change in the salary? Make a change from 90,000 to 80,000, but don't save it yet. What's going to happen if he saves it? What do you think, Happiness?
There won't be any error. I think the field should be okay.
What do you think, Jermaine?
Yeah, it should save.
What do you think, Jeff?
Hmm. What was the formula setting again?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Uh, oh, I mean, are you saying if something's going to happen regarding this specific job posting?
Yeah.
I don't think if unless you specifically name the field salary minimum, nothing's going to happen.
Okay. Press save.
Oh,
What happened?
Good question.
See, this is why I test you to make sure you understand it, but you don't really understand what's going on. The validation rule says 2 plus 2 equals 4. That is true. So no matter what, this validation will always be true. It doesn't matter what you change, it will always be true. Hit cancel.
Oh, I see. Okay. Wow. Interesting. Okay.
Okay, pick a change New York City to Jersey. What do you think is going to happen when he says save?
An error message is going to throw out
Right, because the validation rule says what? 2
2
plus 2
plus
equals
2 equals
4.
4.
That's always true.
Yep, that's true.
Save it. So he can't actually save this because the validation rule is always true. You see the problem?
Yep.
So tell me what the validation rule does. What is a validation rule? If it's true, what happens?
Throws an error.
Right. Happiness, do you understand that if the
Yeah.
validation rule is true, it will always throw an error?
Yeah.
Which means you should never do a validation rule where it's always true, because this is what you get.
Mhm.
Yep, you'll take down the entire org with that one
Ooh.
validation, right?
Jermaine, you understand it now?
Yeah, I get it.
Do you guys have any confusion? Because I could straighten it out.
The validation rule can never be true.
No.
No, it's always true in
True.
this case.
If it's
Oh,
always true, you can't save anything.
But I'm saying it's true and it has to throw an error
Error
message.
message, right?
And your error message is this is an error. You see? Is this making sense at all?
Yeah,
Yeah, it makes sense.
it's just
Happiness.
like this. Let me
yeah.
put cancel, right? We change it back to this, and let me go to validation rule, edit. So I'm going to say 2 plus 2 equals 5. Check syntax. No errors found. So let me save it.
So what is the result of 2 plus 2 equals 5?
Four?
False.
Right. And it's always false, right?
Hmm?
So go back to your job,
I don't
posting.
have a job.
Your, yeah.
Mhm.
You tell them.
Okay, I'm going to refresh this.
Well, you'll have a job once you learn all this stuff.
Okay, so I'm going to
Now,
change this to 80,000.
yeah. Okay, don't press save yet. Uh, Happiness, what will happen if he tries to save it?
I think it will save it. There'll be no error because the validation rule is false.
Right. And what about you, Jermaine? Do you think it's that way too?
Hmm. I say no.
No what?
I think it's going to say keep it as true.
What you're gonna say it's gonna say 2 plus 2 equals 5 is true and therefore give you an error? That's what you're thinking?
Yes.
And Jeff?
No, I agree with happiness.
Okay.
Of course,
So
because you
2,
live with her. That's why.
okay,
I'm just kidding. I'm
Whoa,
just kidding.
whoa.
I'm just messing with you
Come
guys.
on, guys.
okay. Press save.
Wow. Okay.
Why does it surprise you, Jermaine? Because 2 plus 2 equals 5 is always false.
Yeah. Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
Are you sure
So if it's always true, it won't save. But if it's always false, it will save. Got it.
it will always save?
It will always
Okay,
save. Right.
go back to the validation rule. Okay. Now let's do one with a conditional where it's sometimes true and sometimes not, sometimes false. Give me something that will do that.
We'll do what, Lou?
That it sometimes it's true and sometimes it's false.
Hmm.
Sometimes it's true. Sometimes it's false. Hmm.
Well, use a field.
Okay.
Take the field days in office. Well, do something with it.
Okay. Well, that is true.
No,
Unless,
first of all, no, it, do check syntax.
well, I mean, well, it hasn't finished yet. I haven't finished.
Oh, you're saying you're gonna put something else here. What
Yeah.
else?
Um, that only applies if it's hybrid or
No, no, no. Don't worry about that.
don't worry
Just
about that.
do
Okay.
something here. Days in office, what are the kind of values it has?
Is two.
No, Jermaine, what are the possible values for days in office?
5.
Right. No, I think he put in what? What's in the pick list values?
Oh, good question.
Just don't go there.
Number.
I'll tell you because how do you not know this? I've seen you do this. It's one, two, or three.
No, for days in office is up to five. Because if
Is
it's
it?
on site, yeah, look.
Oh, I see. I see.
Oh no, it is up to three.
That's
Mm,
No, but if
hybrid.
it's hybrid, but if it's on site, then it's up to five.
Okay. Cancel. So go back to the validation. Okay. Days in office. How do you make this into something that is true or false?
How do you make something that's into true or false?
No, no, don't worry about those functions. Days in office, what is that? That's a field.
Yeah,
What is in days in office? What is in it?
numbers one to five.
Okay. So how do you make this into a true or false statement?
Okay. Um, days of office is equal to five. Hold on. Or greater. Hold on. No,
Just anything, Jermaine.
it's
Don't
greater
think.
than or equal to six.
Okay, do that. Okay, is this a true or false? Don't do anything yet. Is this true or false?
Yes.
oh,
Okay.
Let me
Happiness, is this true or false?
Oh no, that's false. Sorry.
false.
No, no, it doesn't matter if it's true. I'm asking you, is it a statement that results in a true or false?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Happiness, does this result in a true or false?
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Do a check syntax. That should be right. Now, if so, what is it telling you?
Oh,
Field. Days in office C is a picklist field. Picklist fields are only supported by certain functions. You
Hmm.
bum. Tell me more. Tell me more.
No, no, don't click on that. Don't click on it. So what do you use if it's a pick list value?
Pick val.
Right. Scroll it down to is pick val.
Really? I don't know about that. Oh,
What's it say? Is
Picklist
pick.
field.
Okay, put the pick list field there.
wow.
And then put the text literal, which was 6 in your case, there.
Yeah, but we don't have to greater than or equal to.
right? So this is a little too complicated for you guys at this moment. Let's do something else that is not a pick list value.
Okay.
What field is not a pick list value?
Um, salary minimum, salary maximum.
Okay, try
You
that.
heard me. Oh, okay, fine. I was trying to whisper it to happiness.
Jeff was trying to give me a cheat sheet.
See, hold on. If we see, I'm going to change the salary minimum. I mean, the salary maximum to be 50,000. Well, first of all, how much was it before I forget? 110. Okay.
Don't do anything here. Just go and do the validation rule.
Well, no, I just want so for her to understand something. See, this is a problem.
Don't worry about that yet, Jermaine. I'm doing it simple
Okay, okay, okay.
because you guys are not 100% understanding validation rules yet.
All right.
Okay. So you want something with the salary min that is sometimes true and sometimes false.
Okay, salary min sometimes true, sometimes false.
Hmm.
Depending on what you put into the salary min.
Okay, if we put numbers into salary min, that's true. If we put text, it's false. But that won't work. Yeah,
It won't let you put text in
I
because
know.
it's numbers. So don't worry about that. You're going to put, what are you putting into salary min?
The
The
number.
numbers.
Right. So do something with numbers so it's either true or false.
Maybe we should put 7,000.
How would you write this so that something about 7,000 works?
Mm, the salary minimum is equal to 7,000.
Okay, do that, Jermaine. Okay, now don't do that yet. If you do check syntax, what will happen?
The
Uh,
answer, oh, I mean,
Jermaine, go back there.
I'm going back. I just want to put this back because this will annoy me. Sorry, I'm a stickler for things. Come on, mouse. Okay.
Okay. Does this turn out to be true or false?
I think this should be false.
No, it's what you wrote there. Salary min equals 7,000. Can it be true and can it be false? Is this a
Yes.
true or false statement?
Yes.
Happiness? Is this a true or false statement? I'm not
Yes.
asking you if it is true or if it's false. I'm saying, will it
Oh,
be true or will it be false? Can it be either one, true or false? And you're saying it will or won't.
I'm not sure.
Okay. If I
I'll say
said
it.
if I said your hair is black, is that true or is that a true or false statement?
True.
But it could be blonde if you blonded it too, right?
Oh, yeah.
So but it is either a true or a false statement. It doesn't matter,
Ah, yeah. That makes sense now. Yeah.
right? But
Yeah.
if I said 2 plus 4 and that's all I said, is that a true or false statement?
That's always true.
Happiness. If I said 2 plus 4,
Oh, 2 plus 4. I'm sorry.
if I said that, what happens? Is that true or false?
Either.
Sorry, I didn't hear
Oh,
you.
okay. I'm going to have to explain this a little bit better. Get rid of this. So what is a true or false statement? What is it?
The cat is black.
No, I'm not asking you to give me a true or false statement. I'm saying what is it? Because you're confusing what a true or false statement is.
It's a conditional statement.
No, what
No?
is it?
What is it?
It's a
Oh,
conditional statement that
that the value. Okay, so can you ask the question one more time, Lou?
what is a true or false statement?
A true statement.
True
True or
or
false?
false?
Oh, true or false. It's either true or false.
Yeah, what is it? What is that kind of statement?
That is kind of statement that is neither. Give for help.
What do you need help with? Tell me. Yes.
She's trying to explain what is a true or false statement.
You're saying both what is true and false, or what is true versus what is false?
No, what is a statement that is true or false?
What's the meaning of that?
So like, okay, so in this case, you know how we put minimum salary 7,000, right? Not every person is gonna have the minimum salary of 7,000. Does that make sense? Like, let's say I make 8,000, Jermaine makes 9,000.
Okay, you know what? Let me try to give it to you guys a little easier. Do 2 plus 4. Is this a true or false statement? Jermaine?
It's to me it's incomplete, but okay, I'll say it's true or false.
Okay. Happiness.
I think it's neither true or false.
Therefore, you're saying it's not a true or false statement, correct?
Yeah.
Jeff?
I agree with happiness.
So, Jermaine, if you said check syntax, this will tell us if it's a true or false statement. Click that. What is it telling you?
Oh, it's incompatible.
It's incomplete.
It's saying it's not a true or false statement because this is a number. 2 plus 4 is 6. It's a number. That's not true or false. Do you get it?
It's not if it was 2 plus 4 equals 6, then that's a statement.
Okay, let's make it even simpler. Change the plus to an equal. Is this a true or false statement, Jermaine?
I say false.
No, I'm saying, is it a true or false statement?
Yes.
Okay, happiness is a true or false statement.
Yes.
And Jeff?
It's a false statement.
I
No,
know it's a
is it
false
true? Is it true? Is it true or false? Yes or no? That's what he's asking.
Is the
Okay,
statement true or false? Meaning if he presses check syntax, will it be fine?
yes, it'll be fine.
Okay, hit the check syntax. Okay, yes, it's fine because it evaluates to either a true or a false. You get it?
Yes.
Now, get rid of,
It's
get
fine
rid,
because the value is neither true or false.
no, it's it's either going to be true or it's going to be false. It has to be true or false. If it's not true or false, the syntax is not right. You get it?
Okay.
Or are you still confused?
I think I got it.
Well, I mean, so look, all of this is doing is to make sure that whatever this is a statement and not just numbers. Like,
Okay, now
Oh.
get rid of the numbers. I mean, get rid of everything. Put A plus B. Is this true or false?
Yes.
I
Yes, what?
I say
Yes, it's
neither.
true.
Jermaine, what I'm saying is if you press check syntax, what will it do?
It'll deliver an error message.
And happiness?
Yes, it will deliver an error message
Why is it delivering an error message?
because not it's
True or false.
yeah, it's true
Right,
or
it's not it's
not.
not true or not it doesn't evaluate to true or false.
Yeah,
Now, suppose if you say equals
Hold on, let's
C.
check
no
syntax.
error.
Let's
Yeah,
Because
go
check
ahead.
syntax.
It even gave you something funky. Okay, get rid of this. Insert a field. Do the minimum salary. Okay. Stop, Jermaine. Is this
Nope,
true
I'm
or
doing it.
false? If you press check syntax, what happens?
I think we'll have an error.
Okay, Jermaine.
Hold on. Salary minimum. I would say error.
Okay, tell me what error it will give you.
Well, it's neither true nor false. Like there is incomplete. So
No, no. So what is salary minimum? What
it,
type is it?
I think it's a pick list. No?
no, it's just a field.
Okay.
It's
A
a field that
number,
gives you what? It's a number field.
numbers field.
So it's going to tell you that a number field
Field.
is not true or false. Do check syntax. See, the formula type results in a number. That's not what we want. We want true or false. Do you see at the end?
Mhm.
So this is not correct. Now, how do we turn this into a true or false?
We need to um, include the operator.
Right? Right? Jermaine is right. Equals what? No, no, don't do
Oops,
that yet, Jermaine. Just we
sorry.
want it simple. So salary equals what? Now she had 7,000 before. Just do that. Okay. What will happen if you press check syntax? Jermaine?
I say it will say no errors found.
Okay. Happiness?
Yeah, I think so too.
Let me see.
Okay.
I
Jeff?
think it'll be fine.
Okay. Do check syntax. Okay. Now, salary minimum equals 7,000. If you save this, it will save. How do you get it to give you the error message? What do you have to do?
Put it as
Have
either greater than or equal to seven.
No,
Not
I'm
equal.
saying you save this. What do you need to do to get the message that this is an error?
the salary.
And
Oh,
the error
to
message.
get an error message?
Yeah, the error message only comes when the validation is true.
Yeah, so we have the salary needs to be 7,000.
Right. Save this. Go to your job. Okay. Now, what do you have to do, happiness?
Put 7,000.
Yep.
I want to put 10.
Okay, stop. What will happen?
It will
I,
say.
it'll save. I say no. It'll deliver an error message.
I don't
And Jeff?
What's the number that she put?
10,000.
No,
It will not.
she put salary minimum equals 7,000.
Yeah, it will not give an error.
Okay. So only Jermaine thinks this is going to give an error. Jermaine, save.
Wait a minute. Why?
What did she put in, Jermaine?
Salary minimum equals 7,000.
And what is the salary minimum?
10,000.
So it evaluates to 10,000 equals 7,000. Is 10,000 equals 7,000? Is it true or false?
Oh, that's false. Damn it.
You see why it allowed it?
Yes.
Now, edit this and put 7,000. And don't press save yet. Okay, Jermaine, what will happen?
Okay. True or false? I say it'll save.
You say it will save.
Yes.
And so remember the validation rule.
Salary minimum equals 7,000.
And what is the salary minimum?
7,000.
Equals to 7,000.
It equals to 7,000. So that makes it a true statement.
And if it's true, what happens?
It'll, oh,
Hmm. It will make an error.
Right. If it's true, it
yeah.
makes an error. Do you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
So you want to change your mind or you want to keep what you're saying?
No, I changed my mind.
Okay, happiness, what will happen?
We'll have an error.
Okay, and Jeff, you think it's going to be an error too, right?
I think it will be an error. Yes.
Okay, save. Okay, you understand how this is working now, right?
Yeah.
It saves except for if this is 7,000. Make sense?
Hmm?
Okay, X this out and cancel. Go back to your validation. Jermaine,
Sorry, I gotta change that. You know I am. I'm fickle.
okay. So now you're starting to understand validations, how it's working?
Mhm.
Okay, now Jermaine is saying, scroll it down, that you want this to be so that the maximum what you have salary minimum and salary maximum, right?
Yes.
You want the maximum to always be above the minimum, right?
Yes.
How do you do that?
I'm gonna see if Happy knows how to do it. What do you think, Happy?
So in other words, if it's true, it will give you an error. So what gives you an error between the salary minimum and the salary maximum?
Um, what do we want again?
You want
Okay, hold
so
on, hold on, hold on. Let me show her. You see salary minimum,
Yeah.
salary maximum. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
salary
change.
minimum. Wait. Salary minimum is 90 and salary maximum is 11. Oh,
110.
okay.
Now I'm gonna
n-
change this to 50,000.
Why?
So you understand.
he's giving you an example of what
Now,
is not
should
right.
this is not right, right?
The salary maximum? Yeah, that's not right.
Why not?
Because the salary maximum is very little,
Little compared to what?
the minimum price.
So you're
Okay,
saying the salary maximum cannot be what?
The salary maximum cannot be less than the salary minimum.
Okay.
yes, that's in your head. But what formula?
Now hold on, let me save it.
ho-
Let's see.
n-
Oh, goodness.
Jermaine,
See, it's saved.
Jermaine.
See, it's saved. So that means we got to fix this problem.
hold on. Okay, salary minimum and salary maximum. if you were going to say what formula makes this true, right? Because the true will throw the error.
Yeah.
What is the formula?
The Searle maximum
Yeah.
can be
No, don't say can be. Just say less than, equal to, all these things with salary maximum. What is the formula?
okay. The Searle maximum is greater than Searle minimum.
No. Okay, so right now, Jermaine, go
Sorry.
back there.
Did he save again? Let me see. Okay.
Open up a notepad.
It's easier to just do this. Hello?
I don't see it on the screen, Jermaine.
Oh, you don't. My apologies. My apologies. You don't say nothing. You don't say nothing. You don't see anything. Okay, my
But
apologies.
you didn't tell us what you were doing.
My apologies. Go ahead.
Okay. The minimum, just do the minimum is 90,000. The maximum is 110. That's what you have currently. Scroll it down. Suppose if I said minimum less than maximum.
Oh, okay.
Given what's up there, is this true or false?
Oh, that's true.
If it's true, what happens?
The validation rule will be an error.
Right. So we don't want this because this is not an error. This is really good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what gives us an error?
Oh, Lou, I think this is true. True meaning it's gonna give us an error.
What is going to give us an error? Which one of these two will give us an error?
Okay, hold on. Let me see. The maximum is greater than minimum. Minimum. Oh, never mind. The maximum is greater than minimum will give us an error.
Right.
Yeah.
So which one do we want to put in? Which one of these two formulas do we want to put into our validation?
We have to put the minimum is less than the max.
Okay, if you put the minimum is less than the maximum, is the above true?
Oh,
Is the minimum less than the maximum?
1 second, look. Maximum is greater than minimum. Oh, okay, yeah. We have to put the minimum is less than.
No, we got to put the
Oh,
maximum
I'm
is
confused.
okay.
Let me
I
help her out.
understand the concept, but I'm just confused with these two words,
No,
minimum and
go,
max.
no, but the minimum is there, it's 90,000, and the maximum is there, which is 110. You see it up top, right? Now go to the right of the minimum less than the maximum. Go to the right. Put a space. Okay, is this currently true? Happiness.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, type true. What happens if it's true if it was a validation rule?
It will fail.
It will give us an error.
Yeah, it will give
Go
us a
after true. Go after true, Jermaine. Say this will give us an error.
Oops.
Now you see why we can't use the first formula
yeah,
because it will give you an error. Now go to the second formula, Jermaine. Okay, what is this give us true or false?
maximum is greater than min. This is also true.
Yeah, that's also true.
Yeah.
Or
So
it can be
there's
false too.
no, there's no or in the example above.
Okay, I got you. Right.
So what does the evaluate to? She says it's true. Put a space. True. This will give us an error.
Yeah.
You got that so far?
Mm-hmm.
Give us another formula.
Minimum equal to maximum.
No, don't use equals. Either
Oh.
greater or less than.
Oh.
Why are you going ahead of her,
Sorry.
Jermaine? I'm not here to teach you right now.
Sorry.
Okay, minimum.
Minimum is greater.
Yeah, do greater than maximum.
Yeah, than maximum.
Okay, is this true or false in comparison to what's up there?
This is false.
False. Type false. Will this give you an error?
No, it won't give error.
Put a space. This will save. So which one of these three do you need to put into the validation rule?
We need to put the minimum is greater than maximum.
Right, because because this will be false and it will allow us to save. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, go back to the validation rule. Jermaine, do you understand this?
No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I do.
Okay.
I message.
So
Hmm.
we want minimum greater than maximum because it will be false and allow us to save.
Yeah.
Okay. So go to the validation rule. Jermaine, just let us know when you're there because it's not on the screen. Okay, now you have the salary minimum. What do we need to do? Go
We
what's
have to say the salary minimum is greater than salary maximum.
yes.
Are you sure?
Okay. Do a check syntax. Okay, no errors. Save it. Well, change the name of this. This should be right. Now the error message should change. Yeah, change that to the field. And put it to salary minimum or maximum. It doesn't matter. One of those two. Save it. Okay, try it out.
And put it to 50,000.
Yeah, Jermaine likes 50,000.
Oh,
So what should happen?
Necessarily mean. Oh, that will be full. Although this is to be true, so we got
No,
an
you said salary minimum
minimum.
greater than salary maximum. Is it greater than
Ah,
salary
yeah, this
maximum?
will be false, so it will save.
Hold on, hold on. What was the
The
formula again? What formula did you write?
formula was minimum salary is greater than maximum salary.
Is the minimum greater than maximum salary?
Yes.
If it's yes, that means it's true, right? If
Yes.
it's true, what do we expect?
An error.
Yes, save it. Jermaine, you're awfully slow these days.
Hmm.
Okay, you see?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, X this out, change the salary to 200,000. What is the formula that you wrote?
The minimum salary is greater than the maximum salary.
Okay, is the minimum salary greater than the maximum salary?
No,
Therefore, it's false, and what will happen?
it will save.
Okay, save it. Okay, you see how this works?
Mhm.
Okay, but this is why, like I said, you have to spend lots of time in Salesforce to kind of understand and do these things because there's lots of rules that you could put in that helps out people to do better data entry. Okay, and amongst those are the validation rules, right?
Yeah.
And you see how much it took for you to really get an understanding of it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the other thing is, did you do any trailheads where you did stuff like this? That you did a validation rule?
Um, I think I need to do that.
No, no, but I'm asking, did you do trailheads?
Yes.
And did you do a lot of trailheads?
I did enough trailhead.
Okay, and Jermaine, did you do a lot of trailheads?
I think I'm up to Mountaineer, so they don't consider that a lot, I guess.
But I'm saying there's a lot that you do that's basic, right?
Yeah.
And so the problem with trailhead is that you think you learn, but you're not really learning because you must have went through validation because it's one of the simple basic stuff in Salesforce. Trailheads don't really teach you, but this teaches you if you do it yourself. You see what I mean?
Yes.
But if you don't do yourself and you do Trailhead, you're just not going to understand it or learn it. Yeah. So you have to really go in and do things in Salesforce. Everyone I keep on telling that you have to build your own app and you have to do things in it. it they all they do is Trailhead, and this is why Kobe fails. Kobe fails because he refuses to build his own app, even though I've been telling him for years and years to do it. You know, building your own app and doing all these bells and whistles, these fancy things, that's what teaches you. The trailheads only make you click on things. That's it. Click and type. It doesn't really help you to understand it. You see what I mean?
Mhm.
Okay. Anyway, so you learned something else now, validation rules, right? But you also have to be able to explain it and how it works, like what we did, that the fact that you made a statement, that it's true or false, but if it's true, it throws an error. If it's false, it doesn't, right? And then you have to write your validation where it makes sense. So, and validation rules could be very complex and for you to understand it, but I won't get into too much complexity with the validation rules. This is good, that you get an understanding of it. All right.
Mhm.
Hmm.
All right, guys, just another thing.
Okay. So when's
Thank
the
you,
next time we're
Lou.
gonna meet?
Yeah. Thanks, Lou.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, maybe you could write some more validation rules for other things too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right,
Okay.
so whatever you guys think, what's your next time you're meeting?
I'm open for Friday if you
Oh,
guys
me
are.
too. Yeah.
Okay. So you guys could meet on your own too and go through some things,
Mm-hmm.
but make sure you kind of learn these things rather than, there's a learning process for some of these things. What things are you trying to learn? Let me see.
Obviously, validation rules and
No,
flows.
no, you don't need to learn it because you just learned it now,
Well,
right?
right.
You could practice it, yes. What are the main things that you need to learn?
Oh, um, like
Like if
security and
security, okay. What about security?
well, data security, field level security, org security, that sort of stuff.
Okay. How are you going to tackle that? Learning it.
By osmosis. I'm just
Uh,
kidding.
apparently.
Just kidding. Nah. It's just going through the org, and understanding, what each piece means.
No, you see, you don't have a plan. What is your plan to learn security? What are the pieces of security? What is security in Salesforce?
Okay, you have field level security.
Okay, let's take field level security. How would you learn that? What are the things you would do?
Okay, so you go into the profile and then you go to, like, say, the field level area, and you'll just say activate or deactivate a particular field to see if it appears or things of that nature.
Okay, but in order to do that, you need what? Like, give me a plan. What plan would you have to learn and test it?
I think, for example, the app we created, the walking videos and NYC video, we learn how to assign different profile and role to different users. I guess we can practice more on that.
Right. So what you really need is two users, two different profiles, right? And then you need to know that the profiles will turn some fields on and some fields off. And then when you switch the profiles, you can see what fields appear and disappear, right? You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. But you have to have a plan. You can't just say, I'm going to learn profiles and not really have a plan. Or I'm going to learn roles and not have a plan. Or I'm going to learn both roles and profiles and not have a plan. You know, so you kind of need to have a plan to do things, you know. Hmm. Okay, guys. I think we're good for today. All right.
All right.
Thank you,
See you
Lou.
guys on Friday.
Yep, see
Well,
you on
I might
Friday.
not be I might
Yeah.
not be around on Friday, but you guys can.
Yeah.
Just pick something, have a plan, and then learn it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you, Lou.
And good
All
luck on
right,
your
guys.
interview on Friday.
Oh,
Yep,
thank
good.
you. Yeah.
Well, it's just a preliminary,
Yeah,
but
it's
you should.
just yeah.
Oh, good luck anyway.
Yep. Thank you.
No problem.
All
Okay.
right, guys.
Good night. See you, Jermaine.
Good,
Bye.
Bye-bye.
good night for now.
Night.